which one am I looking at?
Yeah, when it comes to intros, this is your...
That one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Hi, I'm Ellie, and I'm the creative manager at Baked In.
Do you want to swap? Do you want to swap? Okay. Swap. Hi, I'm Charlotte. I'm the sales manager here at Baked In.
Hi, I'm Ellie, and I'm the creative manager here at Baked In.
And we are doing a snack swap childhood favourites edition.
So this is my snack.
Yep.
Reveal.
Give it a go. Yes. Okay, I love these. Love these a lot. A lot of time for these.
So this is one of my childhood favourites. This is, well, they used to be like 10p back in the day, and this is what I would always buy with my pocket money.
Yeah.
You dig in first.
Love the crunch.
Okay.
Okay.
Ooh, I see the edge of a packet.
Oh,
yeah.
Yeah, so I love these. I still love these, and I love them now in like bigger bags, slightly bigger bags. They're very, very salty and vinegary. Like, I remember them being very strong, which I like in a crisp. That's why I like those, like Space Raiders.
I remember them being quite sharp. They're so zingy.
They are zingy. They don't make them like this anymore. Like, I've never tasted such zingy. I hate it! I think they're equally strong, but...
This holds quite a punch. Like, a bit stronger than I remember, and I'm not sure I really want to go back for more on these ones. It's quite, quite sharp for me. But so I don't think I would swap on this one. But
I think I would maybe swap on this one. They're very, very strong.
Yeah.
So I think I would go
Quite
for the
punchy.
Space Raiders.
So round two. What have we got?
Round two. Okay. Oh, this is strong. I used to love these so much.
So did you used to have these?
Yes. Was there other flavours? I don't remember. I feel like I only remember strawberry.
But strawberry's the classic, right? So I had to get strawberry.
I haven't even seen one. Are they in supermarkets still? Like kids these days have these in their lunchboxes as well. Is that a thing?
Oh, I'm not sure. Kids these days have these? All right. What is this one? Oh, yes.
I saw these. These weren't even on my radar, but I saw them and I was like, oh my God, I loved these.
This is a great choice.
I feel like I love Kinder Buenos, but these are just so much nicer.
Should we just...
I think we just have to like, I'm just going to
bite the head off?
I've just snapped his head off. Yeah, I've just snapped his head. It's fine. So good, so creamy.
This one is such a clear winner for me. I mean, yes, this is like super nostalgic, but I have to swap.
Okay, I'm going to stick with mine because I do think mine is good.
So I'm going to pop a pillow over your eyes because it's a bit bigger than I had intended it to be.
Okay.
Every birthday party, we would always have one of these. So
are you just putting it down in front of me? Like,
yeah. Ready?
Oh my God, I used to love these so much.
Shoot it.
Yeah, let's do it.
It's not the best chaser after a happy hippo.
Slightly mixed. Love it. Really good, just as good as I remembered.
Looks like
cool.
Right.
Ooh.
Next one.
I can't remember what I've got. Is that bad? Oh yeah.
Oh.
I remember
I almost got these.
Yeah. Like I always used to get these in party bags, and there was always like I'd always bite the top off, bite the icing off, and then eat the biscuit.
I don't know if I would eat the biscuit. Or...
You just discard it. You just like no bother, not interested in that.
Like discarded it. Don't know what I trade of you.
Can be queuing.
They don't taste too much, do they?
They're not amazing. I feel underwhelmed.
Maybe I'll try eating it the old school way.
Yeah, just with the icing first.
Icing is good on its own.
Icing is good on its own. Do you think it's the biscuit that like lets it down?
It might be the biscuit.
Change the biscuit up.
So, what are you thinking?
Swap.
Swap. I think I'm gonna have to keep on this guy.
It's amazing. Those are nice, but they're not. There's not the flavour. There's just not the flavour.
I think I'm gonna have to stick with this one.
Yeah, cool. I'm swapping. So you win. You win.
Do I win?
Do you win?
Do I win?
2-1.
Yeah.
I win!
You win. You won. Yeah.
I really loved having these like nostalgic treats though. It was so nice.
I would never have thought to do that.
Do you know what's underneath it?
No, what's underneath it?
2 oranges.
2 oranges. Didn't have a potato.
No potato.
Had to make do.
I came
That's
back.
fine. It looks pretty, like, you know.
I feel like we should maybe go and hand it around the office.
I don't want to share it. Is that bad? Can we just leave it in here and eat it, us 4? Don't tell anyone.